Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We're here 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. You are responsible for your own happiness. Happiness never comes from outside of you. If you put happiness in someone else's hands, they can take it away. Happiness can only come from inside of you as a result of your love. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 23, NASDAQ down 13, S&P's down 3. Gold contract up $5.30, trading at $1,224 an ounce. Silver up 10 cents, $16.31 an ounce. Platinum up $5, $9.17 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $2.50 a pound. Light sweet crude up 42 cents, $47.75 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year note up 5 ticks, 124.31. 30-year bond up 6 ticks, 150.23. King dollar down 59 ticks, 99.500. The euro is 108 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 113.80 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so the SPY got down to a price point today of $238.13. You closed out at 239.45, so you had quite a bounce. But guess what, folks? You get an expansion of volume. We did 56 million shares versus 54 yesterday versus 51 at the highs. You came all the way back topside. You get a hanging man here. This Sam wants to go right back downtown. Dow Industrials. We could take a look at the Dow. Dow is the same type of setup. Dow had a nice run back topside, but when you're at highs and you do this, it's a bearish symbol. So the Dow also had an expansion of volume. We did 861 million versus the 820. Same type of setup. Dow got down to 20,798. The composite, NASDAQ composite, also did the same thing. Composite right now closed at 61.15. Only down 13 points. Normally, if it hadn't gone so low, folks, you could say that was a sideways move, but it wasn't a sideways move. It got to a lower price and had an expansion of volume. Inside the composite, we did 1.9 billion. Well, actually, it didn't have expansion of volume. It's kind of about the same, 1.927 going against 1.992, going against 1.906. The NDX 100, I believe, did, though. Let's take a look at that. So, the NDX definitely did. The NDX, we had made a high on Wednesday. Well, actually made a high on Wednesday at 28 million. You tested it yesterday with 20. You did with 24. Yeah, you can make the case that the NDX actually didn't. Even it did 24. You definitely have a hanging man up here, though. Now we have inside the Qs, folks, what you actually have is that all the way back from the 2nd of May, those are all basically bearish signals. They're all little tiny dojis. Bottom line, you need a breakdown first, though. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract traded from a price point of 216 to 224.50. You did 230,000 contracts. That's a good number. I want to see more tomorrow, but that's a good number. That's a big number. The XAU, that is an expansion of volume, by the way, too. XAU, HUI, the gold equities caught a big bid. XAU closed at $83.84. That's at the high of the day. You're going to have volume behind this move. It's into the downdraft that was out here on the 25th. The 25th of April, these things got killed. They went from 84.57 to 81. Bottom line, we went right up the other side. And the way this is trading, it not only broke the downdraft, now you can make the case that it's going to go right back to the last swing high, which is $90.82. That's the XAU. The HUI, same type of setup inside the Gold Bugs Index. Gold Bugs Index out here today, that traded up 472. We're at 194.62. The top of that downdraft was 197. The bottom is 189. It's once higher price. The bond market. So notes tomorrow, folks, are going to be a big thing to keep your eye on, because what we had out here today is that the 10-year note once again rejected lower price. Had lighter volume, all of the above. And the important part here is that you are right at where we took out the consolidation, a 4-month consolidation. So what happens here is this. When you take out a consolidation, you break above it, had a nice break above it. That's great. When you get back inside it, the danger always is like, guess what? You get back inside that, you can go to the bottom of that consolidation. This 10-year got back inside it and has been teetering about going back inside it. Now each time it ducks its head inside the consolidation, the volume contracts and it says, I want out of here. Well, it is almost out of there. It's where you only need 2 ticks in order to get out of there. So I expect we're going to see is more than likely tomorrow morning we're going to be out of there. It's going to get intriguing, no doubt, going into a Friday in this market, because the bottom line is that you still have a market that's laying out at highs. If we take a look at the 30-year bond, 30-year bond is inside the lower consolidation. Now, what we did out here today is that we did reject lower price. It had lighter volume. We'll see whether it's going to catch a bid. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar failed on price, failed on volume, all of the above. And it's quite a failure, too, by the way. We went from good old King dollar on Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Tuesday had some good price spread, had volume behind the move. We did 29,000 contracts. And that was a basis. What happens is that it just gave all of its energy up on Tuesday. Tuesday did the 29,000. Yesterday it did 21. Today it did 18. It got into the gap. It couldn't hold the gap. The gap that we're talking about, the top of that gap was 99,560. Almost got back up to it. Got 99,500, but that's not good enough. That's the bottom line. And what does that set up? Guess what? That sets up another run downtown into the 98,335. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. The Dow finished down 23. NASDAQ was off 13. S&P's off 4.5. We're going to be right back, folks.